How to make a folder on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to make a folder on iPhone. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap hold on the app that you want to make folder in. The app will start jiggling, so go ahead and start moving the application. To create a folder, all that you have to do is move the folder and place the app on top of the other app, which basically is like overlapping the app, and the folder will be created. You can also go ahead and swipe more apps and repeat the same process, and the apps will be added to the new folder you just created. You can also name the folder if you want. Simply name the folder and tap on the Done button, and with this the folder will be all set. So this is how you can make a folder on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.